Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and I put out beauty related videos on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Today's video is on this look featuring the You Had Me at Hello palette. I love this palette. Like, this palette has quickly become my favorite palette for the moment, and you will see a lot of tutorials using this palette. This is just so perfect. Like, look at how beautiful these colors are. I'm like digging that whole plummy brown vibe right now. I don't know why. I think that plummy browns are so beautiful, especially if you have like really dark or deep brown eyes or even light brown eyes. I think it just makes your eyes pop. It makes your eyes look a lot lighter than they are, and it's just, they're just beautiful all around, okay? I wanted to create this look, but I wasn't really sure where I was going with it, and then towards the end everything always pulls together because that's how all of my looks for some reason go. But I don't have any more babbling to do, so let's just get right into this. Yes. Okay, as always, I'm going to prime my eyes, and for today I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Cornelius, and I'm just going to take my finger and apply that all over my lid. First color I'm going to go into is Pulling Strings, and I'm just going to use my Sedona Lace Fluffy brush here and place this color all in the crease. Wow, that is a lot more pigmented than I expected. Now I'm going to go into the shade Sparks Fly, and I'm going to take this Makeup Geek pointed crease brush and just pick up the tiniest bit of this shade and focus this on the outer corner and then bring it slightly into the crease. I'm going to go back with that first brush and just blend things out. Now I'm going to go into the shade Winning Ticket on a flat brush, and I'm basically just going to apply this all over my lid. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Look-See on that same brush, and I feel like it's missing a little bit more purple. So I'm going to take that and basically apply it right in between where those first two colors meet. I'm going to go back into Sparks Fly and just build this up a little bit more. Doing a secret giveaway on my channel today. When I picked up my You Had Me at Hello palette, I picked up another one for one of you guys. I really wanted to give back, say thanks again so much for your continued support. I've gotten to over 700 subscribers in the past few weeks, and I am so appreciative of that. And I'm sorry that this giveaway isn't huge, but you know, this palette, I love this palette, and I have to give one away to somebody. The rules are going to be super duper simple. One, subscribe to my channel, 2, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. It could be any comment whatsoever. It doesn't matter what it says, as long as you leave emoji twice. So pick an emoji and then put it down twice. I'll leave an example right here for you, so that you know what I'm saying, and that will just let me know that you are interested in entering this giveaway. The giveaway will go until February 5th, so it's not very, very long. I want to make sure whoever wins this palette gets it before Valentine's Day, because it's such a perfect palette for Valentine's Day if you ask me. I also want to mention that this is a US only giveaway. Unfortunately, I cannot afford international shipping at the moment, but hopefully for my next giveaway it'll be bigger, it'll be better, and I can finally do an international one. So yeah, that's all I've got to say about this, and let's continue on. And I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend those edges out. I wanted to keep this all matte, but I am dying to use this shade Candygram because it's almost like a pink gold, like iridescent shade, and I think it'll just look stunning, stunning in the inner corner. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade. I'm going to wet my brush and then apply this in the inner part of my eye. I'm just gonna put it on all of my lid. I've already decided. I am so glad I did that instead. I'm just gonna go back and blend this out. gonna go back into a little bit of Look-See, and I'm just going to place a little bit of that right here. I kind of want a little bit of a gradient there between that dark color, this pink, and that purple. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my face, and then we'll come back for the lower lash line. Yeah. Okay, so for the lower lash line, the first thing I'm gonna do is take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. You could just use any black or brown eyeliner that you've got. And I'm gonna place that right into the waterline, as well as smudge some of it into my lash line. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Look-See on this Makeup Geek small crease brush, and I'm going to sort of smudge this out. Take just this pointed crease brush that I've been working with and continue to smudge this out. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Candy Graham on like a flat definer brush, and I'm gonna push this just right into this inner part of my lower lash line. Inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use Moonstruck. Whatever's left over on the brush, I am gonna apply just a little bit of that on the high points of my brow. For lips, I'm gonna use the same one that I used in my little like first impressions video, which is Daydream. This is just like the most perfect color to go with this palette. So if you purchase this palette, I cannot recommend this color enough. Daydream is gorgeous. And that's all I've got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed my tutorial using my beloved You Had Me at Hello. I am like obsessed with this palette. Like I think this palette is so beautiful. I don't know, I'm really into these like plummy, brown, purpley shades. I think they complement my eyes really, really well. They look good with how pale I am right now. So that's why I keep using them. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.